like asking my daughter. I cannot, my life is based on her. Here Srimad Ramayana has many shlokas. Etadeva hi me ratnam, etadeva hi me dhanam, etadeva hi me sarvasvam, etadeva hi me jeevitam, etadeva hi me ratnam, etadeva hi me dhanam, etadeva hi sarvasvam, etadeva hi jeevitam. Etadeva hi me ratnam. She is my ratna. She is my gem. She is my dhana. She is my wealth. She is my sarvasva. And I will not give this single cow for even a crore of cows. It assumes very significant, great significance in today's context, because I just heard of one cow, I think a Nellore cow, Ongole cow, being sold for 40 crores to Brazil at an auction. One Indian cow from Nellore, Ongole cow, was sold for 40 crores. Brazil people know the value of Indian cows more than Indian people here. We keep selling all our desi cows. We export all our desi cows and import all their cows. Like how we give gems and import rubbish madri. And the madri almost garbage alla inge kodutruvalya. The America, Australia, whatever garbage is there, they will dump it here. They will take all our greatest. Panchagavya has more significance in other countries than Bharatadesha. So here, for the sake of a single cow, he says, no, I will not give. I will give you 14,000 elephants. King Vishwamitra says, I will give you 14,000 elephants, 800 golden chariots with 4 white horses each, 11,000 horses, 1 crore cows. Nothing doing. I will not give my cow, Kamadhenu. My single cow, my cow which is used for Swaha and Vashat and my fire rituals is so bonding. She's my child, she's my nourisher, she's my everything. I will not give her. Immediately the king, Vishwamitra, got very angry. He pulled Kamadhenu and he starts taking her away. Immediately Kamadhenu, she frees her from the clutches of Vishwamitra's soldiers, runs to Vasishta and says, why have you given me up? What sin did I do? Don't give me up. And Vasishta said, I am not giving you up. The politicians and the kings who are supposed to save you, the arrogant kings who have the power and their influence, if they are wielders of influence, what can I do? I am just a common man. They are trying to take you by force. What will I do before their power? And then she says, what if you are a common man? The power of austerity, power of your tapas. You just command me, one single command from you, I will produce an army myself and then save myself. But I need your command, your mantra shakti. Immediately, Vasishta chants a few mantras and says, produce the army yourself. That single cow starts producing multitudes of armies. And that Kamadhenu, as she produces armies after armies after armies, the war goes on between Vishwamitra's army and Kamadhenu's self-produced army. All the armies, the entire army of King Vishwamitra were totally destroyed. They were burnt into ashes. Appoda this King Vishwamitra, in fact, there are more chapters in Ramayana where he goes to Rudra, Shiva, and gets the Pashupatastra and comes back with more missiles. He is not able to do anything. Appoda avarukku therinjadu, the owner and the bondage between the master and one cow is much more than the command over a huge army. The life of one cow is more important than the lives of even thousands and millions of human beings. For the sake of one cow, thousands and lakhs of humans gave up their lives. What is there in that cow, Adida? That is what we are going to see. We are just starting with this incident. For the sake of the life of one cow, thousands and lakhs of people fought. Yeah, Abdina, that Gomata is not just a giver of milk. She gives much more. She gives her entire life for the sake of the human race. If the human race subsists today entirely because Gomata நம்மை காக்கும் மாதா, கோமாதா நம்மை காக்கும் மாதா, கோமாதா நம்மை காக்கும் மாதா, உன் கருணையே என்றும் நினைந்திடுவோம் எங்கள் கோமாதா, நம்மை காக்கும் மாதா, உன் கருணையே என்றும் நினைந்திடுவோம் எங்கள் கோமாதா, நம்மை காக்கும் மாதா. மூவுலகிலும் உன்னை கொண்டாடுவோம், உலகிலும் உன்னை கொண்டாடுவோம், உலகிலும் உன்னை கொண்டாடுவோம். எங்கள் மூன்று தாபங்களை மறந்திடுவோம் எங்கள் கோமாதா, நம்மை காக்கும் மாதா, கருணையே என்றும் நினைந்திடுவோம் எங்கள் கோமாதா. உலக சேவைக்கு பிறந்த தாயே, உலக சேவைக்கு பிறந்த தாயே, உலக சேவைக்கு பிறந்த தாயே, உலக சேவைக்கு பிறந்த தாயே, ஊனுறக்கமின்றி உழைக்கும் தாயே, உலக சேவைக்கு பிறந்த தாயே, ஊனுறக்கமின்றி உழைக்கும் தாயே, உதவும் பொருள் எல்லாம் உதவும் பொருள் எல்லாம் தந்திடும் தாயே, உதவும் பொருள் எல்லாம் ஊரறிய உன் புகழ் பாடுவோம் தாயே, ஊரறிய உன் புகழ் பாடுவோம் தாயே, உலக சேவைக்கு பிறந்த தாயே, உலக சேவை உன்னுறக்கமின்றி உழைக்கும் தாயே, உழைக்கும் தாயே, உதவும் பொருள் எல்லாம் தந்திடும் தாயே, தந்திடும் தாயே, ஊரறிய உன் புகழ் பாடுவோம் தாயே, கோமாதா நம்மை காக்கும் மாதா,